Hello friends, myself Jatin Patel. First of all, I am thankful to whole HASURA engineers team to giving me such a very good opportunity and continuous support to learn and do actual development. Before I start, I confess that I am unable to use HASURA API because I am learning Node.js and my maximum time was occupied in PHP development. I also tried Postman software for API, but still I can't apply it on my web app. So I am developed this web app using PHP. It is very tough to find out best candidate for vote in such a huge democratic country like India. It is also time consuming and confusing matter to find it. So this is the platform where each candidate who had applied for election can fill their data. Based on that, voter can easily find out perfect match. One noticeable point I like to share with you friends that I am using fully dynamic concept in this web app for displaying information for all the different parties as well as all the different candidates who had applied for the election. I have used a single page. All the times data will be dynamically transferred from the database in a same page. So pages as well as load of web app will be reduced. The whole web app are divided into three major screens. The first is the home page that is displayed to you and a login page for the admin. This page contains only admin login because this is in this all information are public and we do not have requirement to track the user. So user login is not there. I I'll explain whole process of registering. So first first of all we are assumed that all the data of candidates are stored in a database because because of authenticity of data, and that data will not be accessible to users. So candidates are first of all classified by member ID. When candidates want to publish data, they have to request to admin by entering member ID in the registration page. Here the member ID, suppose the member ID is 101, and then click on after click on send request, the message comes request sent for approval. This request is sent to admin for approval, and then admin can enter their credentials, and after the credentials see that request. I'll show you. This is the credentials for admin, and after that this admin profile will be shown, and here the request in brackets 1 will be displayed, that is sent by member 101. Here admin can grant or revoke the request, and after granting the request by admin, the request granted message comes and the request will not be here. So after logout, any users can see the information of the user 10, so sorry, candidate 101, that is if request is rejected by the admin, the data will not be displayed on the web app. After login, the admin can see the request, that is data not, sorry, the data is not known on my credential form. Admin can see the request and then granting the request, then now the data will be displayed on the website. So this is the process of registering candidates, and admin can grant or revoke the request. If the request is granted by the admin, then and then only the data will be displayed on the web app. After clicking on any party icon, the information of that particular party will be displayed, the description, president, headquarters, and the list of members. And after click on list name of the member, the data and details, all the details of that particular member will be displayed to user. One another module is a third module is a for searching. In searching page, all the all the members who are applied for the election, doesn't matter they come from which party, all the data are displayed in a same page, and then user can search that data. So that's how searching will work. And after click on the view button, that particular users candidates data are displayed. So that's how my web app works. I'm once again thank you to, I'm once again sorry. I am once again heartily thank you to whole Hazura team and all the IMED interns for such a most remembered journey of my life. Thank you very much. Please give a feedback and suggestions on how to make this web app more interactive and more improvements. Thank you.